Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jajangmyeon ramen. First, gather your instant ramen, a packet of chunjang, and fresh vegetables like onions, cabbage, and zucchini. You'll also need a protein, such as about 100 grams of pork belly, cut into small pieces. Don't forget a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with water for later. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a delicious meal. Next, heat a pan with a little oil and stir-fry your pork belly until it's nicely browned. Add the chopped onions, cabbage, and zucchini, cooking until they soften. Now, introduce the chunjang, stirring it well with the vegetables and pork for about 3 to 5 minutes to deepen its flavor. Pour in about 200 milliliters of water or broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. While your sauce simmers, prepare your instant ramen noodles. Boil them in a separate pot of water for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Make sure to drain them very well, but keep about 50 milliliters of the noodle water aside. Remember, for this Jajangmyeon recipe, you won't be using the seasoning packet that comes with the instant ramen. Finally, stir your cornstarch slurry into the simmering sauce, mixing until it thickens to a rich consistency. Add the drained ramen noodles directly into the pan with the sauce. Toss everything together gently, ensuring every strand is coated in the delicious black bean sauce. Serve your homemade Jajangmyeon ramen immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of cucumber or a fried egg on top. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.